In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change timechess.com. Whether you're completely new to online chess or you're an experienced player looking to customize your games, adjusting the time control on chess.com is an important skill to learn. The time setting determines how much time each player has to make their moves, and selecting the right option can greatly influence the pace and style of your games. Some players enjoy fast-paced matches that require quick thinking, while others prefer longer games that allow for deeper analysis and strategic planning. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of changing the time setting on chess. Calm so you can choose the time control that best matches your preferred style of play. The process is straightforward, and once you know where to look, you'll be able to switch between different game speeds whenever you want. To begin, navigate to chess.com and sign in to your account. Once you're successfully logged in, head to the section labeled Play Online. This is the area where you can create a new game and customize several game settings before being matched with an opponent. After opening the Play Online section, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Here, you'll find various options related to starting a game. One of the most important settings is the time control menu. Depending on your screen size or device, this menu may not immediately stand out, so take your time locating it within the game setup area. When you find the time control menu, click on it to open the available options. A list of different time settings will appear, giving you the flexibility to choose how quickly or slowly you want your games to be played. These options are designed to accommodate different playing styles and preferences. If you're looking for a fast and exciting experience, you can choose a quicker time control. On the other hand, if you'd rather take more time to think through your moves and develop long-term strategies, you can select a longer time setting. Having access to these choices allows you to tailor each game to your mood and objectives. Once you've reviewed the available options, click on the time control that best matches your preference. This selection will become your chosen setting for the upcoming match. After selecting your desired time control, you're almost ready to begin. The final step is to click the green play button. This confirms your chosen time setting and starts the process of finding an opponent who wants to play using the same time control. And that's it. You've successfully changed the time setting on chess.com and are ready to enjoy games that match your preferred pace. Feel free to experiment with different time controls to discover which format you enjoy the most. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.